Un peu de vent, les gars.
How much can you handle? I go commando. That body so blanco. And I'm about to dive in it straight to the bottom. There is no topping this. Pop lock and drop on your man and we popping it, baby. I fall for these tropical ladies. I know that she wavy, she naughty, she crazy, she got it all on me. The road is wide open and calling. I flow like a Lambo, my boo's a Bugatti. I live like a movie, young opportunist. Used to make changes to hang with the coolest, but now I'm the coolest. That dude that will do it, that dude will fuel the movement. Watch as I do this. I'm good in my lane, though. Hand in my hand, on top of my game, yo. On top of my game, I play with the name, yo. I'm grateful. Thank you for the things you do and say.
Tu couvres le fort ou pas? Allez, go. Oh, tire de couverture sur le fort que tu passes avec moi, ok?
To keep my heart from danger. Funny how one stranger stepped in, made up all these changes for the better. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm grateful. Grateful. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm grateful. Grateful. Ooh, baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Yeah. I don't really do this, but Bruce G be the dude to remove the blood. Big chick wanna talk like she knew what's up. Every time I step in, they say who the what, the where, the how. Fly niggas smear the ground. My chick 10 she can stare the sound miles away. Now goodbyes, feel like a tidal wave. You must be three if you ain't the one.
Où ça? Pourquoi?
Words to replace the sun.
C'est plus précis.
Girl, you make them run. Girl, you make them run.
Ok, quand on va faire, je vais écrire ici, tu vas les rire, ok? Allez, go.
Girl, you make them run. Yeah. It's trust never tripping up. It's love ever living up. Never had to flex for you. Get fresh, catch a bus just to hit you up. Got me on speed dial. Just press 1 if you really need me now. Press 4 if you miss me. Press 3 and out.
There's a war inside of me, and you watch it silently. Any idiot could see that I killed all the hope that I had. There's a war inside of me, burning red and honestly, and I wave it constantly. Like a flag, like a flag. This knife that's in my back keeps twisting. Anxiety attacks.
Ah, abuse pas dans le gilet. Dans le gilet. Derrière. Au pire. Allez, prends la dépêche-toi. Dépêche-toi. Il y a un peu là. Allez, il y a personne. Allez, il y a putain de on prend le temps. Allez. C'est bon, il a eu. Ça va. Ah, il attend même pas sur la position. Ouais. Ah, lui aussi. Allez, go. Va à gauche. Allez. Dépêche-toi, Romy. mais bon,
On arrange où?
alors,
Tu l'arranges à
je dégoupille, jette.
Tu découpes avec des coupillés, tu pinces et tu tires.
Ryan, il y a quelqu'un qui te parle donc.
Le fais pas parce que sinon.
Ouais, non, mais t'inquiète. Allez. Fermez votre gueule avec les radios. C'est bon. Tu dois brancher par contre.
Tu sais que des fois ça me le fait.
Ouais, parle. Qu'est-ce que tu fais encore?
Ouais, ce serait trop cool.
Tu du shit. Moi je suis sa mère. Tu du shit. Putain.
Encore, traction. Gradure. Vu gradure faire des pompes de traction. C'est gay.